Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to combine multiple Excel sheets into one automatically. Before I start, can I ask you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. This video can be confusing for the users, so if you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us and we'll do our best to help you. You will find the link in the description. Here's our source file. It has three sheets called customer 1, customer 3, and customer 2. And what we want to do, we want to combine all of them into a single sheet called customers. Now, let's create new transformation. Let's call it combining Excel sheets. We don't need a validator because we are not going to validate anything. What we need to do now, we need to set up reader properties. So our source file is Excel files, connection name is Excel files, selecting Excel file, just delete this one. Customers, and selecting the sheets. We can select them one by one, or we can just use the mask. Quite often it is the most convenient option. We just click OK. So what we need to do, we need to auto format grid, set the field names. So on the first line of the file. Next step is to configure data writer. Again, it has data target type is Excel. Connection name is Excel files. Let's call it result. And the sheet name would be customers. And creating new file and creating header. So what we need to do, we need to copy the field definitions from the reader. Just click OK. And map reader fields to writer. We can do it manually, like that. Or we can just use automap function. So we just click map now. OK, so done. Click OK. And now we are ready for running our transformation. So we just click green arrow. So done. It's less than a second. Let's check the file. Is our data, and we can actually open it from the interface. Here's our file. Advanced ETL Processor can convert very complex data into much more simple format. This can be also automated in multiple ways. If you want us to assist you with transforming your data, please post your questions on our support forum, and we will do our best to help you as usual. You will find the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye!